So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in this using the AI PDF plugin. Read this. Don't give me a summary. Don't tell me what's inside it. Just follow who it asks you to be and what it tells you to do. All right, let's get started on journey. I've got your back. I'm ready to be your itchy and willing partner. And remember, I've got a sense of humor. Step one, how many pieces of content would you like to generate? So I'm going to say 2 pieces of content, and it's going to proceed now to the next step. So it's going to say, got it, let's do it. And it's going to ask me to brainstorm. I'm going to say, it is the only tool entrepreneurs need. I'm not saying I think this, I'm just working through the process. It's then going to ask me to clarify my thoughts. So 1, why do I think it's the only tool? 2, what specific areas do you think are simply beneficial? 3, are there any potential challenges because my face and rice is not yet sentient? So we need human skills and creativity whilst AI catches up in this area. So it's now going to reply, clarify and verify with me that it understands what I said. Once it does that, it's going to give me some suggested titles. It's then going to ask me for my 3 key beliefs or my 3 main talking points that I want to write about in that story. It's now going to go and use the SEO assistant to go and find the keywords that work for this article. So there are my beliefs. There's the title. Here are the keywords. It's going to write its overview to make sure I agree with its understanding of my key points. Am I ready to confirm? Yes. Now going to ask to confirm my writing style, which you can do by typing in or giving it a link. Let's give it a link. Using AI magic, it's going to recap that it understands my writing style. And there we have it. Here is the article written in my writing style, based on my beliefs, based on my speaking points. And y'all have access to that to use as much as you'd like. And that is all you need to type. Now, can I please have a round of applause? Thank you. I'm hearing it. I can't express how important this is. You now have the ability to put this into your company. You have the ability to say, hey, yo, everybody, this is how we do it. We're now comfortable with you using AI. For those people that are uncomfortable with employees using AI,